Good morning, students. Already in our previous video, we discussed many of the problems which are related to linear equation in one variable. That means simple equation. Okay. So today also we have to discuss some of the problems which are related to linear equation in one variable. Okay. So after 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. Here, two values are not given. One is the present age of Mary is not given, as well as after 15 years, Mary age is also not given. But one clue is there. After 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. Okay. So find her present age. So what is her present age? For example, present my age is 10 years. For example, okay, after 15 years, my age is 25 years because you add 15 from my present age. Okay, for example, your present age is 12 years. Okay, after 15 years, your age will be 27 years because you add 12 plus 15 and you get 27 years of age. Okay, using the same process you have to solve it. Very simple question. Okay, after 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. Do you know her present age? We don't know. Do you know after 15 years age? We don't know. But one clue is there. What is that? Mary's present age is 4 times of her 15 years after age. Okay. So solution. So that is unknown quantity. Okay. Present age of Mary is unknown quantity. Let us take some of the variables. Okay. Let us take the present age of Mary be some x years. Here x also indicates one of the number, but instead of such unknown quantity, you take one of the variable like x. Okay, after 15 years, Mary's age. After 15 years, Mary's age. Present age is x years. After 15 years, x plus 15. Okay? X plus 15 years. Okay? 15 years later, 15 years after. Okay? You add 15. So Mary's age after 15 years, x plus 15 years. Okay? Now, what is the clue? What is the important point from this question? What is that? After 15 years, Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. Okay, so from the problem, what is that? After 15 years age, after 15 years age is x plus 15 is equal to Mary's age will be 4 times of her present age. Okay, her present age is x years. 4 times. Times always indicates multiplication. That means 4 into x. Once again, after 15 years, Mary's age is x plus 15 is equal to clue 4 times of her present age. Both are equal to each other. That is the given question. Okay, you got one simple equation, x plus 15 equal to 4 into x, that means 4x. You have to solve it and you get the value of x. That x indicates the present age of Mary. Okay, so x plus 15 equal to 4x. Okay, this is plus 4x of transposition, it becomes minus 4x. This is plus 15 of transposition, minus 15. So this is plus 1 and minus 4, that equal to minus 3x equal to minus 15. Okay, here what is the operation including x here? Minus 3x means minus 3 into x. Minus 3 into x. That means this is product quantity. 3 into x equal to minus 15. Okay. So here operation is product. That means x here minus 3 product of x. Okay. So minus 3 is product quantity. After transposition it becomes division. It becomes division. So x equal to minus 15 by minus 3. Okay. So 3 1s are 3 5s are. Negative signs cancel, remaining 5. So x equal to what? 5. So what is x indicates here? X indicates the present age of Mary. Okay, we got it. Therefore, Mary's present is equal to 5 years. Is it right or wrong? We check it. Check it. Check it. What is that? After 15 years. After 15 years, present age of Mary is 5. After 15 years, her age is 20 years. Yes or no? Okay. So, is equal to Mary's age will be 4 times of per present age. That means present age of Mary is 5 years. 4 times of 5 equal to how much? 20. Both are equal. Both are equal. So our answer is absolutely right. Okay. So that means present age of Mary is 5 years. Okay. 4 times of 5 means 20. Okay. 5 plus of 15 years, so her age is 20. Both are equal. So our answer is absolutely right.